Hello everyone, this is Madhvi and you are watching Mady's Nutri-Delish with Mama's Touch. Today I'm gonna show you a super quick and healthy Bengali traditional recipe, Jhinger Paturi, one of the best green recipes from my granny's kitchen. Getting greens in our diet not only supports our immune system but also gives a glowing skin. For this recipe, I have taken 500 grams of rich gourd or sponge gourd, also known as jhinger. Get the veggies nicely peeled off. As you can see, I have given cuts from the middle, both horizontally and vertically, into 6 parts. Try to cut the veggies the same way I have shown so that it gets nicely coated with masala. It looks exactly like a flower with 6 petals. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. Firstly, make a paste out of white and black mustard seeds along with green chilies and a pinch of salt. And then mix the veggies with turmeric powder and required amount of salt. For this recipe, take a heavy bottom pan or a kadhai. Add in 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Once the oil gets heated, I am adding in onion seeds and 1 dried red chili, and then carefully add in all the veggies. Nicely mix it and cook it on high flame for first 5 minutes. Adding sugar at this stage helps retaining green color of the veggies. Try not to overcook the veggies as it loses nutrition as well as its color. After 5 minutes, reducing the flame to its lowest, cover and cook it for more 10 minutes. As rich gourd or jhinger retains lots of water in it, it releases water with time and no extra water is required for the cooking process. Try not to cook veggies covered for a longer time so that the veggies do not lose its color and flavor. Once the veggies turn soft, add in mustard paste and cook it for more 5 minutes on medium to high flame. Once the gravy turns thicker, garnish it with 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Give it a nice mix and my delicious Jhinger Paturi is ready to serve. For best taste, do serve it with piping hot rice. You can also serve it with roti or paratha. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, stay fit and healthy. Bye bye.